So I've wanted a first generation iPod from 2001 for a long time, almost as long as I've been collecting Apple products. Like I remember wanting one at least 4 years ago. However, the problem was that they're a little bit pricey, as you saw from the listing where I paid for one. Then this is the cheapest one, mind you. And it comes with its charger and power brick, and it works just fine. And however, the first two generations of the iPod, because they were released right as Apple was making a comeback, so their sales weren't super high. And because it was the beginning of a new product line, the first two generations of the iPod are now quite expensive to find. And so I decided to go at least for a third generation iPod because those were like 30 or 40 bucks. So they're a lot more reasonable. But I finally decided to bite the bullet and buy a first generation iPod. So without further ado, let's go take a look at this. And I have this package upside down so you guys won't see my address nor the seller's address. All right, so now I've gotten that situated. Now let's go ahead and let's rip into the actual packs. All right, so looks like we have here everything. All right, so let's go ahead and let's open this bubble wrap. This is a very short firewire cable. Okay. This right here is a power brick, which is pretty cool. I already have one of these power bricks, but it's still nice that they include one since not everybody does. The power bricks can be a little bit expensive to find. And right here we have, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This wheel physically, this is such a weird feeling to, oh my gosh, it actually moves. Now let's go ahead and check if there's any songs on here. Yes, there are. Okay, let's go to artists and see if there's any artists I recognize. Blink 182, I know them, but I don't know any of their songs. Creed, all. I don't know any of these songs by Creed. I know our song Higher. Jason Aldean, I know some, I've heard some of his music. Don't know about that one though. Linkin Park, heard some of them. Not familiar with those songs. And No Battery Power Remains. Okay, now I'm gonna go plug this in. I'll get back to you guys once it's plugged in. Enjoying my wonderful setup for plugging things in. Now let's go ahead and let's get back to looking at music. Artists. I've heard Metallica, but not their music. Ozzy Osbourne, what has he done? Oh, I don't know that song. And those are all the artists I have that are there. All right, let's go into extras. Clock. I think it's 2002, even though that is it's 24 years earlier. Just basic stuff of contacts. Calendar. What is this game? Oh, this is the only game on this iPod. It feels so much weird. It feels so satisfying to kind of use this old style click wheel or touch wheel or whatever you call this. Actually doing pretty well in this game of Brick, probably because I can physically move the wheel. I never do this well at Brick. All right, let's get these more bricks. All right, I lost. All right, let's go into settings, about, main menu. Let's turn on sleep because that is generally what I do like to have. Okay, and let's go to about. All right, so this is a 5 GB iPod, and this was formerly Elijah's iPod. This is running version 1.5, and it says 64 songs. Okay, so not that many, not as many as some of my other iPods. My iPod 3rd generation has over 3,000, but still not bad. And I'm noticing that the screen does have some artifacting on it, but hey, this is a 20-year-old display. I'm not mad, but I'm so far really happy with this purchase. So as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and as always, peace out. Okay, let's go ahead and open the physical door of this iPod. Oh, never mind, there is no door.